Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to hide or unhide message requests on your account on Instagram easy and quickly. So first of all, enter Instagram, then go to your profile section, click on these three lines, and then scroll down and go to the hidden words, and then as you see here we have this hide message requests, so you can turn this on to hide it or unhide it. So this is up to you, so do whatever you want. So as you see, that's how to hide or unhide message requests on your account on Instagram easy and quickly. And that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.